How to create a league on Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, it's Morgan here and welcome back to our channel Create, Login and Delete. So let's start the video. In order to create a league, let's first open up a browser or you can simply log in with your Fantasy Premier League app. For now, I'm gonna go with the browser. And from here, log in with your username and password. And after you have logged in successfully, just go to Leagues and Cups. And there are actually two types of leagues that you can create. One is Classic League and the another one is Head-to-Head. First, let's tap on Create and Join New Leagues and Cups. And on the bottom of the screen, you can see Create a League and Cup. Just tap on the option. For now, I want to create a classic scoring league, so I just want to tap on Create a League and Cup on classic scoring. But if you want to go for head-to-head scoring, you can simply go for Create Head-to-Head League. For now, let's create a classic league and enter your league name on the box and select the scoring game week. You can change the scoring starts from game week 1 to game week 38 and simply tap on Create. And here you can see you have created an invitational classic league. In order to customize it, go to Options, and if you want to invite any friends, just tap on Invite Friends. So there are basically two ways on inviting your friends on your private league. You can simply copy the auto join link and send it on your messenger or your messaging app, or you can simply share your league code by email. And in this way, you can invite your friends to join your private league that you have just created. So if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.